Okay, we're going to walk you through the process of an all-resin vase. It's got different shapes, colors, embedded in a white neon resin. We'll get you through start to finish. I will just let the music play and interject every once in a while just to explain where we're at. Okay, we've topped off the pressure pot. Now we've got some extra resin left over, so this is what I do. I just pour them into these globes or different shapes, which is kind of how this whole project came together, with all those shapes and colors from excess resin. I like to use epoxy to put my glue blocks on. This is a 2-hour set epoxy from Designer, and it works really well. It holds. I haven't had anything come flying off, which can be scary, but that's what I like. I let this set for about 2 hours after we get it put on there. poured this with a spacer to conserve on resin, and the plastic tube that I used, it kind of deformed a little bit because of the positioning of the pieces of resin, and it gives a little indentation there, so it creates a little bit of a jump as you're trying to get it all rounded out and even on the inside. But eventually we got it out, got it to the wall thickness that I want, and marched on. Always check the wall thickness as we start to get closer to where I want to be, because you don't want to blow through the side or have any kind of inconsistency in that wall thickness. So the calipers really come in handy. And resin is starting to reveal what its shape wants to be, so here we've started the process of getting that outside shape. Just kind of go with the flow. The resin, and when there's wood, they're always the boss, so you gotta listen and give it its wants and desires in terms of what shape it wants to be, so listen carefully. of the time I sand from 60 grit up to 800 and then polish. And then a lot of times I will use 6/0 stainless steel wool to get that surface as smooth and as flat as I can. Right here we're applying Pro Series, just a resin coat. Got to be sanded down. I want this to be perfectly flat because I'm going to lacquer it as opposed to the normal Waterlux original that I like to use. Every third grit I like to use denatured alcohol to clean up the sanding dust as well as blow it between each different grit. clear gloss lacquer as a finish. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. And please subscribe, like, share, comment. It's the way us creators have the opportunity to make our channels grow. And it's very, very much appreciated. Have a great day.